Plants not blooming or fruiting can be super frustrating, especially when you feel like you're doing everything right but still get nothing in return. So, first off, make sure your plants are getting the right kind of fertilizer because not all fertilizers work the same for blooms and fruits. You want a fertilizer high in phosphorus, since that's what helps flowers and fruits grow strong. Next, sunlight is key. If your plants aren't soaking up enough light, they won't bloom or fruit like you want. Sometimes, moving them to a sunnier spot or trimming back overhanging branches can make a big difference. Also, don't forget about pruning. Cutting back dead or overcrowded branches helps plants focus their energy on making flowers and fruit instead of just leaves. Water is important too, but avoid overwatering because soggy roots can mess with blooming. Keep an eye out for pests or diseases that might be stressing your plants and stopping them from flowering. Lastly, patience is part of the game. Some plants just take their sweet time to bloom, so don't give up too soon. One of the major mistakes people make when their plants are not blooming or fruiting is using the wrong fertilizer. Too much nitrogen will just make leaves grow, but no flowers or fruit. Fix it by switching to a bloom-boosting fertilizer with more phosphorus. Another common issue is insufficient sunlight. Plants need at least 6 hours of direct sun to thrive, so if your garden is shady, try relocating your plants or trimming trees to let more light in. Lastly, neglecting pruning can cause overcrowded branches that block light and air circulation, so regular trimming encourages better blooming and fruiting. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners looking to find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get projects done right.